Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest in home improvement technology. We're thrilled to be sharing this time with you once more. If you find value in the content we bring, remember to express your appreciation by liking our video, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications. You won't want to miss what we have lined up for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 electric pressure washers that are changing the game. We've conducted an in-depth analysis considering factors such as quality, user feedback, and bang for your buck. If you've had enough of laboriously scrubbing away at grime, you're definitely going to appreciate what we've put together for you today. Welcome to a new era where homeowners no longer have to wrestle with buckets and sponges against persistent dirt. Today, we celebrate the reign of the electric pressure washer. These modern miracles are a shining example of innovation at its finest, effortlessly eradicating grime with a mere trigger squeeze. They are not just efficient and robust, but also kind to the environment, consuming less water compared to traditional cleaning methods. Imagine the gratifying sight of years of grime disappearing in a matter of minutes, all the while being a friend to the environment. Today, we will be discussing the top 5 game-changing electric pressure washers in descending order. The one that comes 5th on our list is none other than the Giraffe Tools Grand Falls Pressure Washer Pro. And we'll dive in to get a closer look at its features and benefits. First on our list is the Giraffe Tools Grand Falls Pressure Washer Pro, a remarkable model in the world of pressure cleaning equipment. This model stands out for its exceptional power facilitated by a brushless motor. This motor design minimizes friction, leading to smoother performance and an extended lifespan. The Giraffe Tools Grand Falls Pressure Washer Pro delivers a substantial pressure of 1,800 psi and a flow rate of 1.2 GPM, making it an excellent choice for tackling demanding cleaning your home or workshop. A standout feature of this model is it is constructed with strong materials that can endure continuous use, guaranteeing value for your money. It's worth noting, though, the Giraffe Tools Grand Falls Pressure Washer Pro may be slightly heavier than other electric pressure washers. This makes it somewhat for some to handle, but it's a minor trade-off for the sheer power this machine offers. The Giraffe Tools Grand Falls Pressure Washer Pro is a truly robust machine, engineered to endure. Moving on to the next product on our lineup, we introduced the Ryobi 1,800 psi 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer, a compact yet robust device. This formidable cleaning powerhouse doesn't compromise on delivering sheer pressure. With its high force, it effortlessly slices through muck and dirt like a hot. But the unique selling point of this particular model is its cold water functionality, perfect for those stubborn stains that need a chilly, forceful blast. The of this washer are manifold. It offers consistent performance and surprising versatility, proving useful for everything from outdoor patios to vehicles. Note, however, that this exceptional power could carry a slightly heftier price tag. The Ryobi 1,800 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer is a bit pricier than some rivals, but considering the might and flexibility it offers, many will argue it's worth every dime. In conclusion, this pressure washer is built for those who don't shy away from demanding cleaning tasks. The Ryobi 1,800 psi 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer is a versatile tool designed to tackle those challenging cleaning jobs. Third on our list is the DeWalt DWP-W 2400-2400 psi electric cold water pressure washer, a compact yet high-performing machine. This little giant delivers impressive power, boasting a maximum of 2,400 psi and a flow rate of 1.76 GPM. The DeWalt DWP-W 2400 is well equipped to handle a variety of cleaning applications, from cars and sidewalks to driveways. One of its unique features is the dual detergent tank system, making it simple to store and switch between different cleaning solutions. Plus, its space-efficient design is a real boon for those who have limited storage areas. However, it's worth mentioning that the DeWalt DWP-W 2400 has a slightly lower PSI than some other pressure washers on our list. But don't let this minor detail deter you. The DeWalt DWPW 2400 proves that size isn't a determining factor, reinforcing notion that sometimes the best things truly do come in small packages. Now that we've taken a closer look at these two remarkable electric pressure washers, it's time for a head-to-head comparison. The Sunjo SPX 3000 and DeWalt DWPW 2400 both stand out in their unique ways. The Sunjo SPX 3000, with its ergonomic design and user-friendly control panel, is ideal for those who value comfort and ease of use. On the other hand, the DeWalt DWPW 2400, despite its smaller size, packs a punch with its high PSI and dual detergent tank system. It's perfect for those who need a compact yet powerful machine. Now let's consider their cleaning power. With a maximum pressure output of 1900 PSI, the Sunjo SPX 3000 might take a little longer to tackle stubborn dirt compared to the DeWalt DWPW 2400, which boasts a maximum PSI of 2400. However, the Sunjo SPX 3000 compensates for this with its versatility and comfortable design. In terms of storage, the DeWalt DWPW 2400's compact design is a definite advantage, especially for those with limited storage space. So, in conclusion, both these electric pressure washers have their strengths and weaknesses. Your choice will ultimately depend on your specific needs and priorities. Whether it's comfort, power, or storage efficiency, both these models have something to offer. Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of the best electric pressure washers on the market. Scene 7. Greenworks 1600 PSI, 1.2 GPM, electric pressure washer. Moving on from the sun, Joe SPX 3000 and DeWalt DWPW 2400, let's take a look at another top contender in the electric pressure washer market, the Greenworks 1600 PSI 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer. This machine is a true powerhouse, boasting a maximum pressure output of 1600 PSI and a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. It's designed for performance and durability, ready to take on the toughest cleaning tasks with its robust frame and large wheels for easy maneuverability. This pressure washer is not just about power, though. It also offers a high level of efficiency, making it equally suitable for both residential and commercial cleaning needs. So if you're looking for a pressure washer that combines power, performance, and efficiency, the Greenworks 1600 PSI 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer could be the perfect fit for you. In the next scene, we'll compare it with the Ryobi RY 1419 MTVNM 1900 PSI electric pressure washer and DeWalt DWPW 2100 Max PSI electric Jobsite cold water pressure washer. Stay tuned.